College is a great experience, except when things happen. Sometimes we face unexpected challenges like getting sick, financial issues, or feeling overwhelmed with a class. But please note, San Antonio College and the Academic Success Centers are here to help. Now, you may not have been aware of these support services or even know you were in need of help, and this is where Early Alert comes in. We'll send you a text message, email, or give you a call inviting you to schedule a tutoring or workshop appointment. The Academic Success Centers have extraordinary tutors and other resources ready to support your academic needs. If there's an issue that we cannot help with directly, then we'll introduce you to someone that can. Our goal is to ensure that you are not left alone and in the dark with nobody to help. So if you see our text, receive an email, or a call, please come and see us. We'd love to meet you. We want to make sure that whether you're a first-time, first-generation, non-traditional DSS student, whatever background you come from, that we make you SLAC proud.